Hello everybody, this is Ali with US Selling System. US Selling System is a digital marketing company located in Los Angeles. We are also outsourcing our digital marketing and IT services across multiple businesses and enterprises. And today we decided to talk to you about the quality score of Facebook. Ads have introduced a new way of measuring the quality of your ads. And I know that it's very important for you to understand how your ads are being reviewed by Facebook, and that is a metric which we also share with our clients whenever we do run ads for them. But today we're going to talk about how to understand them for yourself and what do they mean. So let's talk about a new way of Facebook ranking the quality of your ads. There is 3 tiers. Tier number 1, and as you can see here on the screen, is quality ranking, and it is an assessment of quality of your ad against competitor ads with the same target audience. So they basically evaluate your quality of images, videos, copy, CTAs, and others. So again, it's not against all of the ads, it's only against the competitors that are using the same qualifications of the target audience. And this is how you look at the quality score of your ad. Now, second tier, it is engagement rate ranking. What is engagement rate ranking? That measures the ad's expected engagement rate against ads that your competition is running with the same audience. The more the ad is liked, shared, commented, clicked, and so on, the better your engagement ranking is for that ad. So again, the higher the engagement rate on that ad, the higher is the score for the engagement rate ranking, and it is compared against other competitors that use the same targeted audience within their ads. Third tier is a conversion rate ranking. That looks at the ad's expected conversion rate ranked against the competition that have the same goal and the same target audience. So basically they compare your conversion rate, expected conversion rate, to the conversion rate your competition has within the same goal and the same audience. These 3-tiered ranking metrics mean better feedback for your ad campaign, and the more you dive into that feedback and not disregard it, the better your ads will be next time whenever you are going to improve them, taking the consideration that feedback. Within those tiers, there is a new way of evaluating where you stand against your competition. So it's no longer a 1 through 10 ranking. It is done in 3 major percentage comparisons against your competition. So there is above average and below average, and the below average has 3 tiers. So below average has bottom 35, bottom 20, and bottom 10. I would suggest you always look at these tiers and always look at these rankings, and always aim to have a better ad campaign, because a poor ad campaign is just going to drain your budget for the ads and not going to give you a good result. And I'm so glad that Facebook has this tool, so at least now we are able to evaluate against our ideas about the ad campaign against the actual results of this ad campaign. So I will not only want to talk about these rankings, but also give you or leave you with some tips on how to improve them. So if you are suffering in the tier of engagement ranking, I would suggest use video ads instead of images. If that's the case, try it and see whether that will increase the engagement rate. Also, carousels against static images also would work, because by default there is needed an action for the user to go from one slide to another. But the carousels and videos will also improve the amount of time the person spent watching the video, and you will know whether you are capturing the attention of the people to watch through that video or not, and if not, you will need to change the beginning of that video. Change the frequency and the rotation of your ad to avoid the fatigue. So try out some different times. If your business is viewed as more family business, then turn off the ad after hours. Again, do some things with the scheduling and make sure that your ad runs in the times when it's more relevant and more likely to be seen and viewed. Make sure your ad is enticing and invites an interaction. So make sure your CTA is clear and it is exciting. Now let's talk about conversion ranking tips. So conversion ranking tips I want to leave you with is, if your conversions meet your expectation, you might not need to make adjustments. And if they are strong, you may expect or you may want to run the ad longer than expected because it's successful. Just watch out. Sometimes running the ad for too long of a period exhausts the excitement and then the traffic decreases. So just find that spot, the medium spot. If you are still growing within the same ad, I would suggest put the budget in the ad that converts most and turn off the one that converts least, and watch out that excitement not to go down. And once it goes down, you have to refresh the assets. Improve your call to actions. Obviously, if you see that the ad is visually ranked very well against your competition, but the conversions are down or not there, then you may want to review how did you excite people to act on your ad. You may want to act as a user and click on your own ad and see how fast the landing page loads and evaluate the experience after the click, right? So go ahead and act as your own client in order to see what is that user experience your client has. These were some tips that I wanted to leave you with today. Don't discard these metrics. They're very important. It is in some way an instrument for Facebook to motivate you to put more funds into it, but at the same time, or it gives you at least an insight on how your ad is compared to the competition, and do not disregard it. If you are working currently with somebody or with an agent, you may want to ask a screenshot for you or send to you or evaluate it in a meeting. This is a good practice for agencies also to do. If you're an agency, if you're a marketer running an ad for somebody, you may want to take pride on how well your ad is doing, or you may want to explain the clients that maybe their vision is not well executed for that ad, and you may want to motivate them to change something within that ad. Again, this was Ali Spino with your selling system, and we talked today about the Facebook metrics for evaluating the quality of your ad campaign. We went over the 3 tiers: quality ranking, engagement rate ranking, conversion rate ranking, and we went with understanding how they rank within those categories. So the rank within those categories are above average, average, and below average. The below average has 3 tiers within, which is bottom 35, bottom 20, bottom 10, and we gave some tips on how to improve some of these quality scores. And if you need more information, if you want your selling system to evaluate one of your ad campaigns, don't hesitate to reach out to us, whether by commenting or DMing through the system you found this tutorial at, or any social media. Send us a message, chat, or go to our website ussellingssystem.com and request a call back or schedule a consultation with us. We'll be happy to evaluate and look at what you currently do and help you with your ads, whether those are Facebook ads, any other social media ads, or Google ads. Thank you.